Welcome back to the online classes made classic video series prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective is discussed at this video series. Options at freely available medium for online classes are mainly discussed. Points discussed are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can browse and they can explore the other possibilities to make your online classes effective. Normally, we give worksheets to the children and we will use it as a tool. As an assessment tool, worksheets can be used by teachers to understand students' previous knowledge, outcome of learning and the process of learning at the same time. They can be used to enable students to monitor the progress of their own learning. After every class or every section or every chapter, we can give a worksheet to the children. It is a better assessment tool you can think of. Now let us think about what will happen if the worksheets are live worksheets. Live worksheets transform your traditional printable worksheets into self-correcting interactive exercises that the students can do online and send to the teacher. Okay, let us see now. You see, here I am having one worksheet. After I taught the surface area and volume, there are 10 questions. I have made it in the form of a PDF, and the child will write his name, he will write his class, he will write his date, and he will be answering all these questions, and very fine. And it is a little bit colorful also, and he will answer all the 10 questions and he will submit it to you. Then you will correct it, then you will announce it in the class. This is one way of doing it. Maybe you can call it as a maybe worksheets offline. Well, I will take one more worksheets now. This normally we do in the class. Match the following. Normally the child will draw one line from rectangle here, circle here, then pentagon to pentagon. They will try to join it. Can you think what will happen if these worksheets are made interactive by you? Let us see. I'm going to the next slide. The same surface area and volume which I showed you having 10 questions. Let us try to see the interactive worksheets for it. Let us see it. I have made it into a interactive worksheets. Now this is a MCQ. You know that it is a MCQ. You see the questions have been made like this. Now a child is giving the answer, he is clicking the answer. For the second one, he is clicking this answer. For the third question, he is clicking by this answer. And for the fourth one, he is clicking this answer. And for the fifth one, he is clicking this answer. For sixth one, I am doing it at random. Sixth one, he is clicking this answer. The seventh one, okay. For the eighth one, okay. For the ninth one, he is clicking this. For the 10th one, he is clicking this. After that, he is simply finishing it. You see now, he can see the answer now. Immediately, he is getting 9 out of 10. And I think it tells you that where is the wrong answer. The third one is wrong. For is it interactive now? Okay, I am closing it. Once again, the match the following you have seen. The children, you are asking them to draw some lines using their scale or using their pen. Let us see now how it has been made interactive by me. This is the live worksheet which is online now. You see, now it is there. Now I have to connect this rectangle with this rectangle. Normally how will you do? You need a pencil. Oh, pencil has come. Rectangle to rectangle. Circle to circle. Pentagon to pentagon. Then triangle to triangle. Let me check whether I am right. Finish. I check my answer. Oh, fantastic. I got 10 out of 10. Congratulate me. Well, therefore, what you are going to see now. In this video, you will learn how to create an account at liveworksheets.com. Then how to use the interactive worksheets available. We will divide our video series into parts. First, we will see how to create an account. Then we will see what are the interactive sheets which are available now. Let us see how to use it in your classroom. Then we will learn how to prepare interactive worksheets of MCQ that is drag the word, then match the following. Everything we will learn one after the other. Let us start. I think we have to open Google Chrome. The website is www.liveworksheets.com. You can note down liveworksheets.com. You see, now it has opened. Now it is totally free for the time being. Now there are certain worksheets available over here. Plenty of worksheets are available. You can use it and you can send it to the children and you can use it in the classroom. In your online classes also you can make use of it. Let us see what are available now. Home, about this site, interactive worksheets. When you click it, immediately it will give you lot of worksheets in English. And so many languages are also there. Suppose if you want mathematics, for example, when you click it, all worksheets of mathematics will come over here. And in the search also you can type. For example, I am typing articles. Now automatically when you just do this search, all the thing about article A and the sum, you see plenty, it has come out. Okay, well, now interactive worksheets is there, then make interactive worksheets, it is there, then make interactive worksheets, it is there, community, it is there. Okay, now first let me tell you that how to do your first registration. You register, click the registration, choose a username, choose a password, reset the password, repeat the password, give your email ID, repeat the email ID and give the country in which you belong to. And I am not a robot, you have to do it. Do you know how to do it? Okay, additional information also you can give about your full name, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, website, birth date, more about you. Then you have to click this I have read and accept and simply register. A link will go to your email ID which you have given over here and you simply click it and then you can get your teacher's access. The teacher access is totally free. Already I have done it. I am entering it. Okay, well, I have entered now. Here you have to see what are the subscriptions available now. For the teacher, now you see here the subscription is totally free till end of 2020. But the first one is totally free. Teacher 100. You can have 100 students. You can have 30 private worksheets. You can have 10 groups. You can have 10 work groups. You can have 30 days. You can keep the answers in your mailbox. Download you can do 10 per day. Now as on now you can have this last one also, you can subscribe. You see, school 2000, school 1500, it is left to you, but the first one is free forever. This teacher 100 is free forever. Okay, well, now let me come out of it. Now in this video, as I told you how you have to register. Now I have registered. Now I am going to this interactive worksheets. Okay, interactive worksheets, you know that you can go for any interactive worksheet. For example, you type triangles, simply type it, then all the triangles worksheets, those who already done it has come. Now you can take it and these worksheets are made public and that is why they are allowing you to use it. Now let me go for this worksheet now. You see now, this is the worksheet, angle. Okay, I think there may be some problem with the language. You should be a little bit careful about that. This language is not English. Let us go for one language in English. Already I have selected English. Okay, now let me go for it. I think okay, now this is in English. Classes of triangle. Okay, this is also not in English. You have to just check out live worksheets in English. Therefore let me type triangles in English. I'm just telling you that the way you are just doing it. Okay, triangles. Let me check out whether English is there. Okay, move the triangle on the top. Okay, well, now this is one of the you have to simply move it. Now, okay, now the child will move here, the child will move here, like that. Okay, now how to add it to your workbook? You can add it to your workbook. You can download the file. You can add it to the Google Classroom. You can share it through WhatsApp. You can add to your favorite, and how it was made also you can know about it. Okay, suppose those who are English teachers, suppose if you go for these articles, highly interesting. I am just clicking it. You play around. You can have, see, A and an. The child has to simply type over here. You see, It is an orange. For example, a frog. Now, in the next coming videos, you will learn how to make these interactive videos, the interactive worksheets. Now, in this video, please learn how to search for interactive live worksheets and use it in your classroom. You see, add it to my workbook, add it, you can add it with your favorite, and you can copy this link and you can share it with your children. Therefore, the live worksheet which is already made will be made available to you. You can make use of it. Okay, thank you. In the upcoming videos, we will see how to prepare the interactive worksheets which you have already prepared in MS Word. But remember, for this, the better one to upload and make it into interactive worksheet is to convert your worksheet into PDF. I think already I have shown you over here. This I have made it in Word. This I made it in Word and converted it into PDF. If you do it in PDF, all of you know that there won't be any problem in languages. Those who are doing it in Hindi, you can type it in Hindi and convert it into PDF. And if you do it in PDF, you know that there won't be any problem in the alignment also. Therefore, whatever the worksheets you are making, you can do the worksheet in MS Word and please convert it into PDF and keep it ready to make it interactive using this liveworksheets.com. Thank you, friends. In the next video, you will see one by one how to make live worksheets. Bye.